Did you know the man who turned mass murder into a science lived next door to his victims with his wife and children? Rudolf Höss wasn't born a monster. He was a World War I veteran who became the commandant of Auschwitz concentration camp. But Höss did something that still chills historians today. He turned genocide into a technical problem to solve. Höss calculated crematorium efficiency like a factory manager. He tested Zyklon B gas on prisoners to find the perfect dose. He scheduled train arrivals to maximize killing capacity. All while his family lived in a villa just yards away from the gas chambers. His children played in their garden while thousands died daily. His wife grew flowers using ash from the crematoriums as fertilizer. After the war, Höss was captured and put on trial. He calmly testified about killing 1.1 million people, like he was discussing the weather. No emotion, no remorse, just cold facts about his methods. In 1947, Höss was executed by hanging at Auschwitz, the same camp where he had orchestrated humanity's darkest chapter.